What's up guys, I'm gonna show you in today's tutorial how to remove background music in Capcut on mobile. So, today's tutorial is really easy, but I want you to keep up to the end to not miss out on anything. So what you want to do is create a new project and then add the audio you want to remove the background music from. So for example, I put the song for Ariana Grande. So what you want to do is you're gonna click on it and then scroll and find separate audio. So you're gonna click on it and you have many options. You can separate the vocals, the drums, the bass, and many other things. So in this case, you wanna separate the vocals to remove every music in the background. So once you go ahead and do that, it will separate the music from the lyrics. So what you want to do is click on the music and then put the volume down and let's see.
Santa, tell me if you're really there.
Works like magic. And that's it guys.